And that was a proud moment for me also because I was not aware that he was doing like that. So yeah, but yeah, suddenly this week I also got a very mess situation at home, mother-in-laws and all. And I told you I have to go with my parents for holiday. And she was creating the scene and all, don't go and all. That time I had little doubt in me and let's not go then and all. Then my father called me. Every time you talk to mother, what you suggest them, implement in your things. So for me,
Wow.
that is a proud moment that my father is also learning with me and she is guiding. I was getting stuck in between that should I go, not go, all these things will happen in the household things and all. But then I took stand for myself and I went. Whether they liked it and all, and my mother-in-law called my mother also and speak and all. But that time also I was very calm. Earlier, I was like a blast. But I had gone to my trip. I enjoyed there. I spent time with my family, my brothers, every. So now I feel it's good to be a part of this community because it gives strength. And whenever
Yes.
we talk to mothers also, sometimes we tell them, we help them. But when it comes to us, sometimes we get distracted. Sometimes we might know, but we don't imagine.
So
At
true.
that particular time, we missed it, that to implement. So thank you so
Yes.
much for this guidance and thank you so much because I have never imagined if I have not joined Platinum or EPH, I would be a mess mother or a woman, I would say. And thank you for giving Siddharth course in Platinum. It's not, I was not like want to start my coaching industries or something. But I would suggest each and every mother who is just a household also should go through once this course. If you are
Yes.
doing the Platinum and if you want, it will help your child, it will help your husband, like it will really help everyone. So it's
Amazing.
my humble request, everyone should just go through that courses.
Amazing, amazing. Love this. For those of you who don't know what she's talking about, because some of you are gold. So when you come into platinum, I don't just give you access to me, but I also give you access to my teachers. So you would be learning directly from my mentors. So I would be giving you their membership as well once you come into my platinum membership. Because then it's a smaller group. We are working more closely together, and of course, the magic of mentor's mentor is double
It
magic.
happens tomorrow. Yesterday only, he had his inner circle call and I attended and he spotlighted me randomly. He was like, I just commented in one of the video, he liked it and he spotlighted me. There also I told him that I'm a student of your students. So I told about you and he was so proud that I'm really proud of Diti also and what you are also going through in your journey and you are getting the breakthroughs. So keep the energy. So it's really feel proud that when mentors mentor is also appreciating. So it's really good.